Tesla's Blind Spot Assist is a driver assist feature designed to prevent collisions during lane changes. It uses side-mounted cameras to monitor your vehicle's blind spots. Blind spots are areas around your vehicle that are not visible through your mirrors. When a vehicle, cyclist, or object enters this zone, the system provides alerts. It uses side-mounted cameras to monitor your vehicle's blind spots. The system detects objects in the blind spot area. The system provides visual, audible, and haptic alerts to warn you. For example, visual alerts appear on the side mirrors. This system operates above 5 miles per hour and is standard on all new Tesla models as of 2025. Tesla's Blind Spot Assist primarily uses side cameras, typically 4 to 6 per vehicle, to continuously scan the blind spot area. This area is defined as approximately 3 to 5 meters beside and behind the car, creating a critical zone where hazards might be hidden from the driver's view. Real-time monitoring through these cameras triggers alerts whenever a vehicle, cyclist, or other hazard enters the monitored zone. The system activates automatically when the vehicle exceeds 5 miles per hour. Tesla enhances safety through sensor fusion, combining camera data with radar and ultrasonic sensors on some models for comprehensive 360-degree awareness. This multi-sensor approach provides more reliable detection across various driving conditions. Together, these components create a robust system that significantly improves driver awareness and helps prevent blind spot collisions. Tesla's Blind Spot Assist uses multiple types of alerts to keep you informed about potential hazards in your blind spots. Visual alerts appear as icons on the side mirrors or instrument cluster when a hazard is detected in the blind spot area. Audible alerts chime when you activate your turn signal while a hazard is detected in the blind spot. Haptic feedback provides steering wheel vibrations to warn you about blind spot hazards. The intensity of these alerts can be customized in the autopilot settings for a personalized driving experience. For visual confirmation, Tesla offers a side camera view accessible via the touchscreen. This feature displays a live feed from the side cameras, allowing you to manually check your blind spots. To access it, simply tap the Side Camera View button on the touchscreen interface. This brings up a live feed from the side cameras, showing you exactly what's in your blind spots. The system highlights the blind spot detection area on the vehicle itself. This is especially useful in complex situations or when unsure of an alert. To ensure Blind Spot Assist is active and working effectively, you need to enable it in your Tesla's settings and customize it to suit your preferences. First, access the Autopilot Settings menu on your touchscreen. Look for the Blind Spot Warnings option and make sure it's enabled. This activates the system's monitoring of areas beside and behind your vehicle. Once enabled, the system uses cameras to detect vehicles in your blind spots, as shown here with the highlighted areas. For optimal performance, have your cameras calibrated during regular service appointments. This maintains accuracy, especially after windshield replacements or software updates. You can customize how alerts are delivered. Choose from visual icons on your mirrors, audible chimes, or haptic feedback in the steering wheel. Experiment with these settings to find what feels most natural and effective for you. Safety is paramount when using Blind Spot Assist. While this advanced system provides valuable assistance, it's essential to follow best practices to ensure safe driving. The first and most important tip is to always perform manual shoulder checks before changing lanes. Even with Blind Spot Assist providing alerts, human verification is crucial for safety. Remember that Blind Spot Assist serves as a helpful supplement to your driving skills, not a replacement for them. Always maintain situational awareness and never rely solely on technology. The system has limitations and may not detect all hazards, such as stationary objects or very small items like traffic cones. Always scan your surroundings thoroughly. To maintain system effectiveness, regularly clean your vehicle's cameras. Dirt, mud, or debris can obstruct sensors and reduce Blind Spot Assist reliability. Tesla's Blind Spot Assist is highly effective, but like any technology, it has limitations that drivers should be aware of. The system may not function optimally in adverse weather conditions, such as heavy rain or fog, which can obstruct the cameras and reduce detection accuracy. Cameras can also become obstructed by dirt, debris, or mud, which impairs the system's ability to monitor blind spots effectively. The system can deactivate temporarily during software updates, leaving blind spots unmonitored until the update completes. Blind Spot Assist may not detect stationary objects, such as traffic cones or very small items, as the system primarily focuses on moving vehicles and larger obstacles. Performance can vary based on road conditions and environmental factors, such as poor lighting or complex urban settings, which may affect camera visibility and detection reliability. Tesla is continuously improving Blind Spot Assist with AI and machine learning. Expect future updates to enhance detection accuracy, reduce false positives, and potentially integrate with V2V communication for predictive alerts. Keep your Tesla software updated to benefit from these ongoing improvements. Tesla uses AI to continuously enhance Blind Spot Assist. Future updates will make the system even more accurate, catching more hazards while minimizing unnecessary alerts. One exciting development is vehicle-to-vehicle communication, which could warn you of approaching vehicles even before they enter your blind spot area. These enhancements come through over-the-air software updates, so keeping your Tesla up to date ensures you always have the latest safety features. In summary, Tesla's Blind Spot Assist is evolving rapidly with AI and new technologies. By keeping your software updated, you'll benefit from these ongoing safety improvements.